Hi, it's Ariana back with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to link from your website to your social media accounts using what we call the social bar. Before we get started, be sure to visit WebStarts.com and create an account. I've already done that, so I'm going to log in. Once logged in, you'll be on the dashboard. Hover over the thumbnail of your website and click the Edit Site button. The page editor will load. From here, you can select the page of your website you'd like to edit from the drop-down. I'm going to edit the home page for this demo. You can find the social bar by clicking the Add button and then dragging the social bar onto your page. With the social bar selected, click on the Edit icon. The pop-up, you'll be able to add links to your social media, delete them, and arrange them. Here, for example, I'm going to delete the Facebook icon. Now I'm going to add Snapchat, and I'm also going to add WhatsApp. When you add an icon, you'll need to enter the URL in the proper format that's suggested in the field label. So for example, TikTok requires I enter the @ symbol just prior to the username. When you're ready, click the Update button. As always, don't forget to click Save to save your changes. You can view them on the web by clicking the View Site button. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to find out when we release new features and videos. And don't forget to create a free website at WebStarts.com. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.